a rainy spring afternoon. We figured we ought to have at least one Mother's Day video, so we thought we'd get out. We may stay out tonight. I don't know what we're going to do yet. Like normal. Athens. We're going to Prince. I guess we'll turn on Village. We're hungry. We're going to look for something to eat. We may go to the Arby's over on 78 or East Broad, whatever they call it here in Athens. There's a lot of stuff right through here in Normal Town. It's about, I guess, low 60s, going down to high 50s tonight. Supposed to be rain off and on several days. Varsity would be good, but probably busy, and that location to me is not an ideal location at all. There's so much traffic over there. We could head to the one over in Bethlehem, Winder. 6 o'clock. Cut off too quick. Somebody jumped over there and was going to cut us off too quick. Still planning on taking a bus trip and also a train trip. I'm trying to figure out, from what I've seen, you can get Amtrak from New York to Miami, and then or Miami to New York, and then New York to the West Coast pretty cheap. But getting to those two locations with a vehicle, I might be able to catch I did see a Greyhound bus at the Loves in Commerce today. Probably get a Greyhound bus to Miami. That'd be a good trip. And we do want to get back down to Florida to the Stephen Foster Heritage Center, the cultural center, the folk center, and do volunteer work down there for Memorial Day weekend. It's going to be a folk festival, the Florida Folk Festival. We got several things planned, and we're going to be booked up for June, most of June and July. We've got a pet sit for about 25 days. We've got a lot of stuff taking up our time already. And a lot still going on here in Athens, like all over Georgia, everywhere. Looks like they finally doing something up here at the old varsity. Off. I don't know what this is going to be. They've already got a lot of construction done. Looks like parking and residential, but I'm just guessing. This won't be too long of a video. We'll get up here at the Arby's, and that'll wrap this one up. We'll go ahead and start uploading. At least have us one Mother's Day video. For the back yesterday, and they're coming out just right. They're not loud. They're more aggressive tread than regular street tire, but they haven't been loud and they haven't been rough riding. I was worried about that. We already have a problem with rough riding and camera shake. Or we do on the phones anyway, because they're hooked to this mirror mount. I think this Arby's is up here on the right, and if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the oldest Arby's. It's been here as long as I can remember. say they still got the original Arby's hat. Let's go in and get us a regular roast beef and a couple of potato cakes. They brought potato cakes back. I've never liked their curly fries. I've always liked the potato cakes. They have hamburgers now, but I haven't tried one of them. They have brisket as well, but I haven't tried it either. I don't think I will, really. Let's go in and get us just a regular Arby, and we will get this video going and uploaded.